Hey everyone, today we are gonna walk you through every single step of installing a brand new car radio for your Ford Explorer from 2011 to 2019. Make sure your vehicle is turned off first. First, use the included pry bar to remove the trim pieces. Then remove the 7mm screws that hold the bezel. Remove original radio bezel. Unplug the gray connector on the back. Unscrew the 8 screws. Remove small screen and audio control module. Remove the clips. Unscrew these to silver T10 torque screws to remove the vent. Then install them onto the new frame. Tighten the screws to secure the vent. If your original clips are the same as this, please replace our backup clips to install the new unit. Next, we can start to connect the wiring harness. First, connect the main power cable. Make sure the canvas is connected well, otherwise it won't turn on. There are 2 plugs for connecting emergency light. Choose the appropriate one and plug it in. Next, connect the original USB cable. Connect the radio antenna. Then start connecting the wiring harness to the new unit. 8-pin connector. Ensure it is inserted correctly and securely. Bottom button connector. RCA cable. Fan cable. Connect the 4-pin USB cable. By the way, you can also use 4-pin USB instead of original USB. Connect the 6-pin USB cable. Rear camera input cable. There are 3 ways to connect the OEM rear view camera. Choose the one that fit for your car. If use our backup camera instead of OEM camera, connect like this. Connect the microphone cable. Radio antenna. And GPS module. Do not place it in the glove compartment. You can put GPS module under the windshield to facilitate signal reception. Our USB cable can be routed into the glove box. Then mount the microphone on the steering column or near the sun visor. Finally, secure the new radio in place, and the installation is complete. Installation manual to complete the air conditioning setup. Hope your installation goes smoothly.